Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia device to Samsung Galaxy M22. Firstly, go into Play Store on both smartphones and click on the search bar. Now you need to type Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer. After that, open it. Now choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Following that, choose Receive on Samsung and Send on Nokia. Then click on all of those dots and choose Send in order to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will go with only one photo, just for example, and click Send. Over here you need to tap on Got It, and from here there are two ways to connect. You can input key over here and choose Receive or scan QR code. In order to scan it, tap on the scanning icon here, choose while using the app or only this time, and point your camera at the code. As you can see, my photo was successfully sent, but you can always check it out just for sure by going into My Files app and selecting, in my case, Images. As you can see, Send Anywhere folder is already here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!